Hello everyone, welcome to Linux World YouTube channel. This channel is all about Linux and all of its distribution. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, the topic of today's video is how to install Deepin 20.5 in VmWare. Well, this is my VmWare. To install your Deepin 20.5, just start with create a new virtual machine. After that, go with the option that says I will install the operating system later. Click on next. From here, make sure you go with the Linux, and after that in the version, make sure to go with Debian 10 64-bit. Because my system is 64-bit, that is why I'm going with this choice. In your case, if you have 32-bit system, go with 32-bit. After that, click on next. From here, give name to your system or your machine. I'll name it as Deepin. After that, set the location where you want to install your Deepin Linux. I'll go into my D directory and I'll create a new folder with the name of Deepin Linux. I'll just click on OK. And now I'll just click on next. From here you have to give the hard drive space. The minimum hard drive space that Deepin require is 64 GB. I'll go with 70. Click on next. From here go to your customize hardware option. Now this is the RAM that you will be assigning to your Deepin Linux in VmWare. I'll go slightly over 5 GB. Then in terms of processors, I'll go with 3 of them. It all depends on your system that how much hardware resources you have. In case if you have limited hardware resources, you can go with 2 processors or even 1 processor. After that, click on new CD DVD and from here click on use ISO image file. Then just browse for it and go to the directory where you have downloaded your Deepin Linux ISO file. So I'll go there and I will find the file. So this is the file. I'll just double click on it and then just click on close. Now click on finish and we are done with setting everything up. Now we just need to start this Deepin machine. So I'll just click on this play button or power on button. And now the installation process will begin. From here, go with the first option, just hit enter. Now from here, select your language, agree with the terms and condition, click on next, click on next. And from here, select the disk that you are going to use and then here click on encrypt this disk. You can go without this option as well. Just click on next now and from here, give it your password. I will again enter my password, click on confirm and just click on continue. And now the installation process has just begun. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes, so you have to be patient. So we are done with the installation and now we need to reboot our system. So just click on reboot now. Go with the first option and after rebooting, it will ask us to do some more things to set up our system. So here we need to just enter our password. I will just hit enter now. And now we need to set up our system. In terms of language, I'll go with English. And this is the keyboard layout. I'll again go with English. And now select the location. After that, click on next. From here, give it username. I will give it my username. After that, give it your password. And now click on next. From here, it will tune the system and again it will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the process. So again, we will wait for it to get completed and then we'll move ahead. So we are done with tuning of our system again and now just we need to enter our password and hit enter. And now we are done with everything and our Deepin Linux has been installed into our VmWare. And from here just select your mode. I'll go with the normal one and now our Deepin Linux will start up. So here it is. This is how it looks like. So on the first go you will receive a welcome window in which you will have an intro about what you are going to get in this Deepin Linux 20.5 version. That's it for this video. I hope now that you must have liked this one. So please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.